All right, we need to define our binary tile a little bit better. So in the top level constant macros, the 32-bit binary tile is going to be split up into 3 layers: a midground, a background, and a foreground. They are all 10 bits. 4 of those bits are used for a tile value, 0 to 15 inclusive. 6 of those bits are used for the auto tiling method bits. Here's our midground masks and shifts. Here's our background masks and shifts. And here are our foreground masks and shifts. The number here is the index. So this is the 0 index sublayer, the 1 index sublayer, and the 2 index sublayer. These masks are used for extracting the values from the 32-bit tile value. So if we want the whole 10-bit value, we can shift by this amount, and then we can mask by this to get the whole 10-bit tile value. If we just want the V16 value, we shift by this, we mask by this. If we just want the auto tiling mask, we shift by this and we mask by this. It's the same exact process for the background and the foreground because everything is very irregular. And then we have some tests to make sure that everything adds up correctly. So the all shift should be equal to the auto tiling method shift for all of our different layers. The V16 and AM6 masks, when we smash them together, should get the all mask for all of the layers. And then I was thinking we could summarize the bits and like count the bits, but we're not going to do that here in this video. And the final smash, if we take all of these different masks and smash them together with 0x3, we should get a 32-bit value where all the binary ones are set. So here is some monkey wrench macros in the monkey wrench macro section. And here's what we did previously. And here's our footnotes. And then here's what we did in this video. Like, subscribe, send money in the mail. I am Kanji Code.